Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you step by step on how to withdraw your fund from Payoneer to your bank. I'm going to open Payoneer application. It is loading, it is signing me in now. Okay, I'm fully logged in. Okay, you can see I received $28 from Udemy. Okay, I have a total of $48 now. I'm going to withdraw this fund, guys. To withdraw the money, you need to go to actions. Here you can see withdraw to bank. I click on it. Okay, I'm going to withdraw from US dollar account. I link my EcoBank, it is pending, and UBA, I have UBA account, but I'm going to withdraw it to Regent Bank, guys. So that is dollar to dollar account. So I'm going to select this one because I've already linked it, and I can withdraw the whole money. Okay, I can withdraw it. The fee is $1.4. So they are going to charge me $1.4. If I change this account, for example, if I select this one, for me to be able to withdraw this, I need to have at least $50 to withdraw. So I can't be able to withdraw using the other account, because if I try now, I can't be able to withdraw. So let me go back and withdraw to my dollar account. Then let me enter it again, $48, and they are going to give me $46.5. Click next. Okay, I'm about to withdraw. If I like, I can add description. Let me add description. Udemy payment. Save it. Then click withdraw. You withdrew. So it has been withdrawn, guys. Okay. And I click OK. So you can see the amount I have here is $0.09. It will take time to arrive into my dollar account. Since I'm doing it in the morning around 10 o'clock, before 4 o'clock, I should be able to receive it. Okay, or latest tomorrow, I should be able to, just within 72 hours, guys. Okay, should be able to receive it. But in most cases, I usually get it in less than 24 hours. So I'm going to wait and return back when I receive it, guys. Alright, guys, I've received a alert from Raenest, that is Geegpay. So let's see the alert. This is the time I'm receiving the alert, 7:45 p.m. If I open the email, you can see a credit transaction has occurred. They have sent to me $46.5. As you can see, guys, I'm going to withdraw it into my local account. I'm going to withdraw it into OPay. I need to open the Raenest application. This is it here. Okay, I've already opened it, and you can see the amount has been deposited into the account. If I open it, you can see the transaction details. Okay, and you can see the exactly time, 7:45 p.m. That is when they deposited it. Okay, maybe it is about 6 hours, guys. Okay, about 6 to 7 hours, because I placed this withdrawal around 10:58 a.m. and it was credited around 7:45 p.m. So I'm going to withdraw this money, guys. To withdraw it, I need to go back to the home. Here you see, if you scroll down, you are going to see the exchange rate as of this time, 1,426. And to withdraw it, I need to click send. You need to link your account. If you have not linked, you can just add new receiver here, enter the bank account, you select the currency, then you enter the bank name. You are going to see all your local bank and the digital banks, all of them are here. So you can just withdraw direct to it. You just follow the step to link your account, guys. I've already done that. The normal way you send money to your local account, you just select your account, enter the account number. Automatically it will dictate the name, and you continue and withdraw your money. Since I've already added my account, I'm going to select save to receiver. This is the one I'm using, guys. Here I'm going to select the money I want to send. It is in dollar. I select it. I'm going to transfer 46. I'm going to withdraw $46 and leave $0.6 there. You can see the amount I'm going to receive, guys. So I'm going to receive 65K. Here, this is the rate in which it is exchanging 1,426. In the money, it was 1,432, but our currency is gaining value right now. The total fee, they are charging me $0.25, guys. As you can see, total fee that they are charging. Previously, they used to charge $0, but it is like they have updated their policy. You can now pay some percentage for withdrawal. So I'm going to select continue, guys, and make sure you confirm your account details, confirm everything. So I'm going to add description, say Udemy pay. So I just type description there. So because I received this money from Udemy. Okay, so you need to confirm your detail. If there is any error, you need to go back and adjust it. Right now, you can see amount we will convert is 45.7. So after they deduct the fee, they are giving me $45.7. Should arrive within 0 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to click continue, guys. And I need to confirm my password. Okay, let me click continue. You can see transaction successful, guys. It was sent to me, guys. Let me click back home. If I click back home now and refresh, you can see I have $0.6 left in my account, guys. This is the withdrawal detail from Raenest. So they send me email to confirm that the payment has gone successfully. So let me quickly check my OPay, guys. Right now I'm launching OPay to confirm if the money has arrived. You can see, guys, you can see the money has arrived. If you check this place, you can see the transaction. So this is the money that was sent from Raenest. That is how to withdraw your money from Payoneer to your local account, guys. Remember, we started withdrawing this money from Payoneer to Geegpay and from Geegpay to my account. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.